Welcome to our channel. Fat and thin shots are among the most frustrating issues golfers face with their irons. These step-by-step techniques will help you make consistent, solid contact. Step 1. Check your setup position. Position the ball in the center of your stance for mid-irons, slightly forward for longer irons. Your hands should be ahead of the ball at address, creating a slight forward lean in the shaft. Step 2. Focus on maintaining your spine angle throughout the swing. Standing up or dipping down during the swing changes your low point, causing fat or thin contact. Keep your posture consistent from start to finish. Step 3. Practice hitting down on the ball. Many golfers try to scoop the ball up, but irons are designed to create lift through backspin. Your divot should occur after the ball, not before it. Step 4. Work on your weight transfer. Shift your weight to your lead side during the downswing, ensuring your low point moves forward. This promotes descending contact and prevents fat shots. Step 5. Monitor your head position. Keeping your head behind the ball too long can cause thin shots, while moving it forward too early causes fat shots. Maintain a steady head position until after impact. Step 6. Practice with alignment sticks. Place a stick just past the ball on the target line to encourage proper low point and prevent early release. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.